doing squats now. I'm going to teach you about computer. This is a CPU. This is the brain of the computer. It's specifically made because you don't have one.
That seems offending.
I mean, it's fine, dude. It's just a joke. This is a RAM. Stands for random access memory. It stores all the working data. That is the data what your computer uses for the task you do. This is a hard disk. There are two types, SSDs and spinning drives. I don't know who uses it. HDD. Who uses that? It's so slow, bro.
Hey, macha,
We are poor. Now comes the holy grail. Sweet frame rates.
GPU.
So it's pretty much like a specialized processor used only to render images. There's no point in having all of these things with you and you don't know how to connect them together. And that's where the motherboard comes. You, no motherboard, no PC. And don't forget to buy a displays so that you can see what your computer is doing, so that you won't plan to attack the world through AI.